Hello, my name is Dr. Girish Nilivigi. I am a urologist with 20 years of post-qualification experience. Vasectomy is done basically by two methods. One is a conventional vasectomy in which a small cut is made in the scrotum, and this is done usually under local anesthesia, or in case of anxious patients it is done under regional or spinal anesthesia, or sometimes under general anesthesia. A small cut is made in the scrotum, and this cut measures about a centimeter. The vas deferens is brought outside the skin incision and it is divided, and both the ends are ligated, and after that there could be one stitch on the skin. The second type of vasectomy, which is lesser invasive, is called no scalpel vasectomy. In no scalpel vasectomy, there are some special instruments which help in delivering the vas deferens outside of the skin by making a very small cut, maybe a millimeter or two on the skin. The vasectomy is done and the vas deferens is pushed back into the body, and the skin incision measures about 1 or 2 millimeters, and no stitch is needed after no scalpel vasectomy. So these are the two ways of doing vasectomy. A vasectomy is done on a daycare basis, which means the patient or the person does not need admission. It is done usually under local anesthesia or sometimes under general anesthesia. The duration of surgery is about half an hour. The hospital stay is for a few hours because the patient is not admitted to the ward and it is done on a daycare basis. And the person can get back to his normal routine on the same evening if the surgery is done in the morning, and he can get back to his work within 24 hours. There are no special precautions that have to be followed after vasectomy. And this applies to both no scalpel vasectomy as well as conventional vasectomy. In conventional vasectomy, he has to come back after 5 days for stitch removal, but sometimes if the stitches that are used are dissolvable, then he need not come for stitch removal also. There are some advantages of no scalpel vasectomy as compared to conventional vasectomy. For one, the pain is much less because the cut on the skin is very small. It measures about 2 millimeters in size. The second advantage is there is no skin stitch because a 2 millimeter cut heals by itself without the help of a stitch. So these are the advantages of no scalpel vasectomy over conventional vasectomy.